The Limitless Infinity is coming. Hey guys, it's time for an ultimate sweet ride of leaks regarding what may be Samsung's redemption year after the not so great Galaxy S20 sales. We talking Galaxy S21. Next year, Samsung might put an end to its OLED punch hole display. It took Samsung years to shrink bezels to the point where we first actually saw a glimpse of a bezel-less future in the form of Galaxy S8. Then only one more generation later, Samsung broke the boundaries with the first ever hole punch on an OLED screen flagship phone, the Galaxy S10 lineup. From then, it was further refined in its best shape and size on the Note 20 Ultra, and now it may be the time for the next evolution, enter Limitless Infinity display. As posted by Exynos, the Samsung under-display camera is in the works, and the whole solution is better than any other brand solution out there when it comes to the under-display tech. Understandably, Samsung has a lot more rigorous testing for its flagship phone. Whether it happens on S21 or not, it's not entirely confirmed. But another big trusted source, Ross Young, said that the chances of under-display camera for the S21 are pretty good, and if it's not the Galaxy S21, then it may be the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, in case you don't remember, Ross Young was the first source that said that the Note 20 will be rocking a 60Hz screen instead of 120Hz, which at the time made zero sense, but later on it became apparent, and then after the announcement, it was indeed 60Hz. Just wanted to say that Ross Young is a good source so far. Under-display camera is a huge deal. In my opinion, it's gonna be a groundbreaking move that will completely solve the long issues of notches, bezels, and front display cameras. I wonder what's next after this. Oh yeah, foldable phones. Samsung is looking to double down on its foldable power at affordable levels as well. According to one source, Samsung has given 3 times more order of the Z Fold 3 in South Korea because the demand is actually pretty high. As for next year, it's almost certain that Samsung will be bringing the foldable phone at an affordable price. And no, it's not going to be close to $400 or $500. It will be close to $1,000 range. With more foldable phones coming, we have more chances that this will indeed replace the Galaxy Note series, and Samsung might have to combine the Note and S series together and bring a one and only one ultra flagship that has the full S Pen capability. Also, diversity is confirmed. Galaxy S21 model numbers are once again confirmed via One UI 3.0 software code. There will indeed going to be 3 Galaxy S21 models, namely S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra. Now, regarding the processor for the international market, the Exynos 1000 is in the making. Exynos tweeted out the code name of this chip, which is codenamed as Olympus. Olympus, a mountain that is abode of gods according to Greek mythology. Samsung does have some interesting code names, but I hope it really lives up to this name, and I really do hope that it matches the performance of the beast Qualcomm 875 chip that is coming as well later down the year. Also, the One UI 3.0 beta based on Android 11 is open for developers. Very soon we're gonna see a review of this, and hopefully, if it's possible, I would love to try it out on my Galaxy S20 Ultra. I actually do have 2 Galaxy S20 Ultra models, so I would love to have this software and use it and check out what's new. Exynos said that the animations with the Android 11 will become a lot more smoother, so definitely looking forward to that. What's even more interesting is that Android 11 has a full native variable refresh rate support when it comes to third-party applications, which means Samsung can really optimize the 120Hz refresh rate on the existing S20 lineup with the Android 11 software. Of course, it's not going to be as good or as dynamic as the one on the Note 20 Ultra because there is no LTPO tech on the S20 family, but still, it's definitely going to make a difference in the battery. As of now, I haven't really seen that much of a difference in the battery timing of the S20 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra. So on Android 11, things will get improved on both sides. Note 20 Ultra can get even better results because the display refresh rate can be switched from 120Hz to 60 or even at 10Hz or all the way down to 1Hz. According to Max Weinbach, Samsung has already starting the development of the Android 11 builds for Galaxy A12 and Note 20. It's the first time I'm seeing a Galaxy A phone getting a very early development of the Android 11. So it seems like Samsung might actually bring the update really quick for the Galaxy A devices as well, just like they're doing with their flagship Note and flagship S series devices. So that's all the Samsung news. I'm definitely looking forward to Samsung's next evolution when it comes to smartphone design. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.